So now we will need to solve the second layer, which will look something like this. So to solve that, we need to find edge pieces without yellow. So the edge piece shouldn't look like this. It should not have yellow. So this also has yellow and this also has yellow, but this does not. This has green and red. So now we will be matching it with the green center. So the color facing you should match with the center. So the color facing me is green, so I'll be matching it with the green center. And the top color is red, so we will be moving it to the opposite direction, meaning we will be moving it to the orange face. It's red over here, so we will be moving it to the orange face. Now we need to learn another algorithm, which is L U L prime U prime. It's just the same algorithm, but in your left hand. So I'll just show it to you in hand once. So it would look something like this. You can pause the video over here to learn this, because we will be needing this in the future. Don't worry, we will be not needing to learn any more algorithm. This is the last algorithm. So now I hope you must have learned the left algorithm. So after the left, now we will, so this is on my right hand side. So we will be doing the left algorithm. If this is on your left hand side, we will be doing the right algorithm. So this went to my right hand side. So we will be doing the left algorithm. So just do the left algorithm once. Then turn your cube to be facing the other color. Then do the right algorithm. So now we'll find another corner edge piece without yellow. So this edge piece does not have yellow. So as you can see, this has red and blue. So we will be moving it to the opposite side. So this has blue and blue. So we will be moving it to the green side now. Now we can just do the left algorithm again, because we moved it to this side, right? So we will be doing the left algorithm. We moved it to our right hand side. Now we'll be doing the left algorithm. We need to turn the cube into the opposite direction and do the right hand algorithm. Now you can see once one face's second layer is solved, we need to solve all of this also. Now we'll be finding another edge piece without yellow. So this also has yellow and this does not have yellow. As you can see, this has green and orange. So we'll be moving it to the corresponding center. So green and the top color is orange. So orange is on this side, so we'll be moving it to a left hand side. So left hand side, and do the right algorithm once, because we moved it to a left hand side. So right algorithm once and left algorithm once. Now for the last edge piece, because as you can see, we solved it in all the other faces except this one edge piece. So we will be finding the edge piece without yellow. So it's right here. It's orange, and the top color is blue. So blue is on my right hand side, so I'll be moving it to my left hand side like that. Now right algorithm once, because we moved it to a left hand side, and turn the cube, and left algorithm. As you can see, we solved the full second layer. Now you can just practice this a few times to become good at it. So your cross can be already pre-solved. It will look something like this. Just ignore the yellow corner pieces. So it will look something like this when it is solved. You will have a yellow center and 4 edge pieces around it. So if you have already gotten the yellow cross solved, you can just fast forward the video by 2 minutes. So now we will be needing to solve the yellow cross, which will look something like this. So there are few cases while solving this yellow cross, meaning that there are few more solutions. So first case is, you can get like this 90 degrees angle. So when you get a 90 degrees angle like this, make the 90 degrees angle facing you like this. Facing you like this, then turn the front two layers. Now turn your front two layers and do the right algorithm once. Now turn back the front two layers and our cross is solved. Turning the first layer and then doing the right algorithm, then as you can see our first layer is solved. I'll be just repeating that step so you can see. So we have the case is the line, so we turn the first front layer instead of the two, as you can see, front layer, and do the right algorithm once. Now as you can see our cross is solved. So now for the last case you might get, it's the yellow dot. You can just have a yellow center and no edge pieces around it. So to solve this, just turn the front face once and do the right algorithm twice. Now you can see we have the line. So if you forgot how to if you forgot how to solve the line, just turn the front face once like this and do the right algorithm once. So as you can see our cross is solved. Don't worry about any yellow corner pieces like this.